Era un angelo, come mi può amare se non t'ama, come può volare senza lei, no, è passato tanto tempo dall'ultima volta, rammanato pochi tempo per l'ultima volta, no, 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 come si fa, no, 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 a te scorda, per me non posso fa, non l'hai pensato mai, che all'inizio della storia era già fine la storia per noi, oggi lo ci sta guardando. Come se iniziano a giovere, siamo di strani che si incontrano e stiamo pensando a tutte le cose che ho fatto e a tutte quelle che ho perso. Non posso fare nient'altro. Io per me, tu per te. Io per me, tu per te. Io per me, tu per te. Io per me.
He's accustomed to this. All eyes on Cristiano Ronaldo in the warm-up. Will he add to his total of 4 goals from his last 3? Hello and a warm welcome from the south coast of England. This is the scene here in Brighton. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Brighton and Hove Albion versus Manchester United.
Well, Derek, a disappointing start for United in their opening match. They would have wanted to take all 3 points, but And
he's broken free! Well, he certainly caused all of that, but was never going to trouble the keeper in the end. Goal kick it is. You know, when Ronaldo is on the pitch, we tend to think he'll stamp his authority on the game, Stuart. What in particular do you expect to see from him this time around?
Well, Derek, I'm sure he's going to score another goal today because he's got 4 in the last 3 games. He's a player full of confidence, and every time he makes a forward run, he looks as though he's going to get in behind. He's in outstanding form at the moment.
Well, they really wanted a victory, Manchester United, in the last game, but instead a draw against Fulham. How do you see them faring today?
Well, it was certainly a good attacking performance in that 2-2 draw in front of their own fans. But if they show a little bit more energy going forward today, they can certainly win this one.
Well, that was a very respectable effort from such a long way out.
Well, he hits it cleanly, and it's a very good strike, but just not on target.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Untidily played. Oh, yes, what a pass. Oh, in with a chance. Can someone get on the end of this? A good and fair challenge. Doing everything possible to keep possession. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo threading it through. It might be. Well, he was on his own, but couldn't take advantage of it.
Well, I'm not surprised he missed that. He never really looked in complete control, did he?
Plenty of support here. Going to get a try, and the keeper more than equal to it. Corner kick played in. Disappointing delivery, sailing over everyone in the middle. Well, Manchester City had long ago identified their target, and now they've got their man, Stuart.
Well, certainly a lot of focus on the boy over the last year or two, and he seems to have a bright future ahead of him. Hopefully it turns out to be a good move, and he can continue to develop his career.
Gilmore. Regained possession. And quick thinking defensively. Weight on the pass. Well, even marginally offside is still against the law.
Yeah, and he just needed to hold his run for a fraction longer, and he would have been in on goal.
And cutting it out. Gilmore. Now far from a smooth challenge. Now will the referee produce a card? Decent progress with the ball at his feet. But they dealt with the threat posed. Ronaldo feeds it. And running in behind. Surely. Well, the bar can be the goalkeeper's best friend. High degree of difficulty to hit it on the volley like that, and it was close.
Well, his skill level is so high, you're absolutely right. That's a great effort on the volley.
And it keeps going. Can they forge ahead? No! Chance missed.
And a big chance at that, Derek. He should have put them in the driving seat there.
Well, there's an example of how to press high up. Has a go! And a really powerful effort, but just over the top. And he did well to cut it out. Well, not pretty, but very gritty. That's a good pass. And could it be Cristiano Ronaldo? And effectively parried away by the keeper. United looking to forge ahead. Let's see if the corner helps them. Playing it in. Oh, off the line. Decent position this for United to find themselves in. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Schick. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Schick. Electing to shoot. Well, decent effort, but not troubling the keeper too much. And so the first half has come to an end here at the Amex Stadium. And as the second half commences, both sides can reflect on a first half in which they weren't so very evenly matched. Just the challenge that was required. This could be troublesome. Oh, but he's done brilliantly to cut it out. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. Well, the keeper is happy the bar was there. But it looked so threatening, but the danger averted.
Well, Brighton can't believe that didn't go in. They just can't get their noses in.
Oh, wait a minute, Stuart. Look what's happening. Really good piece of goalkeeping there. That's effective pressure high up the pitch. Oh, great play. Oh, fine stop. And over it comes. And fired against the crossbar. And there it is, the breakthrough. That will do nicely.
Well, as you can see here, the initial attempt is good, but his reaction is brilliant. He was so alert there.
And Brighton have it back now. Good movement. Delivered into the box. No-nonsense clearance. Jadon Sancho. Now the quick counter-attack could be on. Well, unfortunately, it fizzled out in the end. And nicely over the top. On to Wan-Bissaka. Big opportunity. And pushed away to safety. United behind, but a corner could come in handy. And time for the change now. Well, it has come to nothing. He takes aim. It was on its way in. Well, a swift challenge and a throw-in coming up. Mats Wiever. Dahoud. He thwarted the attack illegally. Now perhaps a card is forthcoming. Well, sadly, you've got to say, it all went horribly wrong for him.
Well, he backed his technique. Unfortunately, on this occasion, it let him down badly. That's a poor effort.
Given away by Manchester United. Schick. Good idea. Oh, and that challenge carried with it quite the element of risk. Now, what's the referee going to do next? Well, the execution there rather went awry.
Well, Derek, the less said about that, the better, I think.
Here's Wan-Bissaka. Not a great pass. Schick. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. What was the chance they could get caught out on the break here? Well, they have to pay attention. Cutting the ball back. Looked like an effective counter-attack, but brilliantly read. There's 10 minutes remaining here. Just needs to steady himself. It has to be, surely. And there it is! The equaliser! Down to 10 men, but showing guts and determination. So, a level contest, 1-1. Beautifully weighted ball. And it might be. And the keeper more than equal to it. Now in a more than decent position. Save, but still a chance. And off target in the end. And that'll be a goal kick. What's the keeper doing here?
Well, what a final few minutes we have here. And the fans are certainly playing their part. But can they take one of these chances that come their way and win this game?
And he's gone into an illegal position, unfortunately. Dahoud. Well, here they are on the attack. Can they go on and win the game? In with a chance. Oh, tight, tense game. Great goalkeeping.
Well, he's just about kept his team in this. That's a really good piece of goalkeeping.
You can't really head them any better than that. But the goalkeeper was up to the task and pushed away to safety. Looking for the right angle. Rewarded for that brilliant high press. Hello to you. from the south coast of England. The venue for this game is the Amex Stadium. My name is Derek Ray, and joining me for commentary is Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Brighton and Hove Albion. Oh, in with a chance! Well, unable to direct it on the target, and a goal kick to come. And a look at the lineup for Brighton.
Well, although it's down as a 4-5-1, it's more likely to be three players in behind the main centre-forward. And those three are key to this team's creativity.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United. Andre Onana is the goalkeeper. Victor Lindelöf plays alongside Harry Maguire in central defence. And the focal point in attack today is Cristiano Ronaldo. United might be able to cash in. That's not a bad ball. And dealt with that ball comfortably. It didn't go according to the Manchester United script in the last game. A draw against Fulham. What are your thoughts, Stuart? How do you see them getting on today?
Yeah, it was a good game, wasn't it? Plenty of action at both ends. 2-2, probably the fair result. Today, I think we'll see a much better display from them going forward, and they'll probably just have enough to win it.
Real chance. And really top-notch goalkeeping.
Well, what can you say? That is absolutely brilliant from the keeper.
Played over. Oh, struggled to get it away properly. Oh, really good header. Really fine goalkeeping. Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest players of the current era, and you'd have to imagine, Stuart, he's going to have some sort of role to play in this one.
Well, Derek, goal scorers...
Oh, look at this, they must score! There it is! The first goal of the game, and the lead certainly doesn't flatter them. Good value for it. Schick. Perfect tackle. Could be threatening. An alert piece of defending. Mats Wiefer. Joel Feldman. Well, conceding the throw-in. Good challenge. Very quick thinking there. Kaoru Mitoma. Well, it could be on for him here. And they couldn't add to their advantage.
Well, that would have put them in complete control. He should have scored there.
And given away. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful. And he might be through here. Oh dear, a moment to forget all about, I think.
Well, he has to do a lot better there. He's gone for power, but he's completely miscued it.
That's a splendid ball from Ronaldo. And the alarm bells are ringing. Oh no, it's gone a begging.
Well, they can't miss opportunities like that. What a chance to equalise.
Well read to put an end to that attack. Well, not pretty, but very gritty. Well, we're on the cusp of the half-time interval with United narrowly behind. Stuart, what have you made of their performance in the first 45?
Well, I've been a little disappointed with their attacking play.
Oh, the chance is on, Stuart. Well, shooting from that tight angle, wishing he hadn't bothered.
Well, he went for goal, but probably not the right decision, I would say.
Possession ceded by United. Mats Wiever. He has teammates around him. A super tackle and they've won possession. Ball lost by United once more. An attack full of promise. And he's in. Oh, he saved it well. Well, the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. Ronaldo. Ronaldo moves away from the touchline. Ronaldo! And there it is, the half-time whistle. The first half action is over here on the South Coast. Back underway then, and work to do for United given the scoreline. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Mitoma. Ronaldo untidy with the ball. And Patrick Schick now. A glorious chance. That is tackling of the highest order. Well, didn't miss by very much and never easy to strike it on the volley in that fashion.
Well, from that range, though, it should be a goal. At least it should hit the target.
Well, there's been so much talk about a potential transfer, but it's potential no more. It's fact.
Well, I think he'll fit in well to their style.
Oh, Stewart's a chance! And it's in! A goal for Manchester United, who find themselves now level.
Well, here we can see it again. He's shown outstanding vision to find the perfect cutback. And Ronaldo made the finish look so easy, as he so often does. It's a lovely goal.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. Gilmore. Bruno Fernandes. Real chance. Well, he really wanted to make it a double and would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, he's been really good today. A constant threat to this defence.
Just the clearance that was called for. Magnificent defending.
With the owner of a silver hatchback with registration G.
What can they produce on the flank? Oh, big chance! Trying to chip it. Oh, credit to the goalkeeper. Fantastic save.
Well, in that situation, that's a really top-class save from the keeper.
And defensive play to be applauded. Now, was that challenge in the grey zone? Play on. Oh, he fancies his chances. Asking a lot of any player, quite honestly, to score from that position.
Well, I don't need to say too much about that, do I, Derek?
Diogo Dalot. Diogo Dalot on the ball. Good tackle taken away. Well, plenty of scope for them to attack. No possibilities inside the box. He might be onto something. And able to get a body in the way. They take it short. Fine cross into the middle. Could still be dangerous. Can he find the net? Oh, strong hand on the ball. Scott McTominay. 20 minutes to go in this one. Now, let's see what they can do here. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. United finding space on the wing. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. He drives it in. Milner. It's with Dahoud. And making the run to the inside. Oh, he looks threatening. He must finish! Marvellous anticipation. And a textbook interception. Jan-Paul van Hecke.
Well, the fans are making so much noise here. They believe the winner's coming, but it needs a moment of inspiration for one of those players out on the pitch. What a finale we've got.
Very quick thinking there. And time for the change now. Mitoma. Well, a last-ditch challenge, but there's always an element of risk about it, and we wonder what the referee is going to do next. There to win it back. Sima. And a precise challenge just when it was required. And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Manchester United on the front foot in the closing moments. Can they find a winner? McTominay. And hello to you from the sunny south coast of England. We're at the Amex Stadium and the weather has most certainly cooperated. My name is Derek Ray and my commentary partner on this occasion is Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Brighton and Hove Albion versus Manchester United.
Well, Derek, a disappointing start for United in their opening match. They just look short in one or two areas, but they're a decent side and should bounce back today with a much better performance.
Sancho! Still a chance!
Well, United have started the game really well here, and that was a big chance to open the scoring. Great save, though.
And a look at the lineup for Brighton.
Well, in this shape, their two holding midfield players will be key today. If they can get on the ball and dictate the play, protect the two centre-backs, it will then allow the attacking players...
It should be! Well, nearly shaving the crossbar with that powerful effort. Not in the accuracy department, leaving a bit to be desired. Bruno Fernandes has it, and he's in. Well, fantastic reflex action. On to Wan-Bissaka. Given away by Manchester United. And passing it through. Big opportunity. Surely. Well, we like to call things as we see them, Stuart, and I must say he's got that one horribly wrong.
Well, it's a poor decision in the end. It's way off target.
Danger here as he runs at them. He could pick out a teammate. McTominay. Dalot. It didn't go according to the Manchester United script in the last game. A draw against Fulham. How do you think this one will go, Stuart?
Well, it was certainly a good attacking performance in that 2-2 draw in front of their own fans. Today, though, if they play with a bit more purpose from the start, I think they'll win this one.
And the emphasis is on creativity. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. No pressure whatsoever on the keeper. Bruno Fernandes has it. Here's Ronaldo. Delightful pass. And he's in. Are they going to forge ahead? nicely. And a fine tackle. Did well to win the ball back. Well, he's certainly not alone. Oh, he's left his marker for dead. Opportunity! A strong hand on the ball. How can he take them on and beat them? Crossing possibilities. And couldn't really direct it where he wanted. Now, what can they produce on the flank? That's an effective cross aimed at the back post. Will he find the net? Oh, a goal! It's gone in! The goalkeeper doesn't want to see a playback of that ever again. Sancho. On to Wan-Bissaka. And that's an important intervention. Oh, the threat is there. Can he put it away? Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Really sound defending. He got a good palm on it. And that's going to result in a goal kick. Cristiano Ronaldo. Diogo Dalot on the ball. Perfect tackle. Opportunity it is. Impudent efforts. Oh, a superb chip. Spellbinding. So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. And that brings to... So the ball rolling again, and no sugarcoating it. There was a big gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response in the second 45 from United? Ronaldo. He's beaten his man. Oh, big chance! A goal! As they cut into their advantage. Still plenty of life in this match. So the match continues, and United just one behind here. Really getting stuck in. Wiefer. Schick. Oh, good use of the ball. And that's how to do it inside your own penalty area.
Well, as you can hear, the fans think that should have been a penalty, but I'm not convinced.
Can they hit on the break? He's in behind. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. Look at this, Stuart. Looks like Iron Man is trying to shoot this free kick.
Aim your right stick in this position and load about 3 bars of power, and that's how you take a basic free kick in FC25. Well, it's not that simple, so let's check it out. To take a basic free kick, you need to put a pointer on top of the ball. There are these 2 triangles at the bottom of the UI that tell you the exact position of the pointer on the ball. Say if you imagine a straight line coming in from one triangle, these 2 triangles can tell you the exact position of the pointer on the ball. Now you can see this line coming out of your free kick. This is basically a predicted trajectory of where your ball will go, not the real trajectory of the ball. This basically tells you which type of a free kick you're going to take. You can use the left stick of your controller to aim left and right, and you can use the right stick of the controller to move the pointer on the ball. If you see a gold icon on top of a player, that's a dead ball plus playstyle, and they'll have a longer line on their free kicks. So these players have the dead ball plus, while some have the dead ball normal. Start with the most quick tip. This type of free kick requires some distance for the ball to go up and then cut.
If you're missing easy free kicks in FC25, then here's how you can score every single time. Step 1 is to always press L2 and R1 to call 2 players short to the ball, because step 2 is to make sure at least one of these players has the dead ball playstyle plus. And now that the guideline is long enough to reach the goal, step 3 is to push up on the right stick until the guideline is right on the ground. Now step 4 is to move the left stick all the way to the side so that you can see the lines right on the pitch, because step 5 is to make a mental line of exactly where the post is on the ground. Now step 6 is to move the left stick back so that the end of the guideline is perfectly in line with the post. Now step 7 is to zoom in and look at the small white line on the ball and remember exactly how far you have this lined up to the side, because step 8 is to move the right stick straight down to the bottom without moving the green triangle at all. And now that the shot is aimed right over the wall, the final step is to score off the post and in every single time. If you're missing easy free...
Look at this.
control. He should have scored there.
Happy birthday to the coolest football player, Bowden Jeffries. Happy
Ronaldo.
birthday from all your friends and family.
Jadon Sancho. Oh, maybe the equaliser. It must go in, surely. And a goal. It was served up on a silver platter for him. Well, it has taken a Herculean effort for them to get back to level pegging under these trying circumstances. It's opening up for them. Could go ahead. Oh, did so well to deny him. High degree of difficulty to hit it on the volley like that, and it was close.
Well, his skill level is so high. You're absolutely right. That's a great effort on the volley.
And the pass deftly cut out. Mitoma. Well, nothing productive, really. And passing it through. Well, I must say it did look so promising, but the flag is raised. Offside the verdict, Stuart.
Well, he's just too eager there. It's the right run, but he's made it too early.
Oh, denied by the post. Well, they can bring it out now. And into the last 20 minutes. Beautifully weighted ball. And playing it through. It might be the moment for Ronaldo. It's in! And this really takes your breath away. A comeback and a half.
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And this is Ronaldo at his best. He's composed, he shows great technique, and he just smashes it beyond the keeper.
Mitoma. It's with Dahoud. Good work to win the ball back by United. And space here on the flank. Could be. And denied by the post. The game has been turned on its head. They have never stopped believing, and now they sense victory. So the current scoreline, 4-2. Mitoma. Trying to open up the defence. And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick. Absolutely unplayable today. What a performance. So the action underway once more, and it's beginning to look as though it's a case of how many for United. Given away by Manchester United. Well, let's see if something comes of this. And Ronaldo just needs to remain level-headed. In position, and denied by the keeper. Impressive. There's going to be a double substitution. The clearance wasn't decisive. Great defending. Well, they'll try to keep the pressure on in the form of another corner. Well, he had a decent reading of that ball in. Well, we've entered the final 5 minutes. Promising pass. Well, a bit of an unforced error, and it's going to be a throw. Sima. He's going forward well here. Really good block. Nicely timed tackle. Opportunity it is. The net is steering him in the face. Oh dear, a moment to forget all about, I think.
Well, he has to do a lot better there. He's gone for power, but he's completely miscued it.
Well, he was keen to give that one a go. Sadly, lacking a bit of accuracy. And there it is, the final whistle. It's a Manchester United victory.
Yeah, that's an important win, Derek. They weren't at their best in the opening match, but today they...
We'd like to ask you some questions. Thank you. That's all the questions we've got for you.
I got this feeling and just what it is God only knows. I got this feeling and I think I'm seeing thunderbolts. I got this feeling that I'm turning into someone new. I got this feeling that the ceiling is for bursting through. I got this feeling and now nothing is frightening. I got this feeling I can summon up lightning. I got this feeling and just what it is God only knows. But here it goes. Stood on a sea of pain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I'll be back on my feet again.
The unmistakable Cristiano Ronaldo. A hat-trick in his last game. Will he prosper once more? We'll have the... And welcome everyone to England's Northwest. The action soon to get underway here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray and I'm joined for expert analysis by Stuart Robson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Carabao Cup. It is Manchester United and they face Port Vale.
Well, Derek, although the hosts are clear favourites, this could prove to be a tricky game for them, unless they score an early goal, because their opponents will sit deep, remain compact and defend with determination. They also pose a threat on the counter-attack and are really good at set plays. It's going to be an interesting one.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United. Andre Onana is the goalkeeper. Victor Lindelöf plays alongside Harry Maguire in central defence. And leading the line today is Cristiano Ronaldo. More than decent this from United. He's broken free. In it goes! An early opening statement in this match. And look at the celebrations.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
And the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Jadon Stockley. Well, a good tackle. Oh, big chance. Opportunity still there. And that's a very good parry. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Well, the perfect tackle, really. And now a throw-in. Byers. Jadon Stockley. A real chance. And it has gone a-begging. Good heavens.
Well, that should have been the equaliser. A golden opportunity wasted there.
Blocked it brilliantly. And a goal to So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. And he could really get at the opposition. It's looking promising. Must score! Oh, did so well to deny him. It's a short one. Has someone to play it to. Good bit of closing down. Given away by Manchester United. Ronaldo. Chance to put them in front. And a goal! Just like that, they're back in front.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the scoreline. Garrity. Oh, tremendous vision. And players waiting at the far post. Ah, goalkeeper's ball. Not the best of crosses, really, was it? Ben Garrity. On to Chislett. And the flag was up in good time. It's offside.
Well, he should have realised that was going to be offside. That's a poor decision to play that pass.
Scott McTominay. And the pass deftly cut out. Ben Hennigan. And a really single-minded piece of defending to make sure nothing untoward happened. George Byers. Chislett. Good looking move. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect. Will they profit from this situation? Ronaldo! The crossbar got in the way. And after all that, the keeper clutches it with glee.
Well, no wonder he's relieved. That was so close, inches away from a very good goal.
So no more time left. That concludes the first half here at the Theatre of Dreams. And the ball moving again, advantage United, but plenty of time for a few twists and turns here. Well-timed tackle. Ben Garrity. Now with Clark. Ethan Chislett. Untidy on the ball. Well, make sure you join us for more Premier League action coming your way. It's Manchester United taking on Liverpool. Well, couldn't quite find his teammate. Look tackle completely mistimed, and you would expect a booking under the circumstances. Well, the card is out, and it's yellow.
Yeah, it's clumsy and it's late. Definitely a yellow card.
Now they have possession in a good area of the pitch. And he takes on the shot. Well, the post got in the way. Well, no way through in the end. And a shot from some way out. Well, that effort was always going wide. He's not going to be best pleased with himself. Jadon Sancho. Bruno Fernandes has it. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Well, no doubt about it, Stuart. Cristiano Ronaldo in the first half, deserving all the superlatives going.
Well, he's been brilliant. He finished his goals really well. He's shown a great awareness of how to find space, and his movement has caused them all sorts of problems. Surely he'll get his hat-trick in the second half.
Well, spot on with that challenge. Good vision. Can he get onto this? Well, a last-ditch challenge, but there's always an element of risk about it, and we wonder what the referee is going to do next. Well, considering the position of that free kick, that was an outrageous effort. So close.
Well, it's a great strike, but just not quite the accuracy he was looking for.
Takes aim! And effectively parried away by the keeper. That's effective pressure high up the pitch. Really good piece of goalkeeping there. Quick thinking defensively. Chislett. And moving the ball forward with genuine purpose here. This might be ideal for the counter. Can they keep it going? And a wretched cross, really, over everyone. Ronaldo. Oh, that's top-notch goalkeeping, you've got to say. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Byers. And an astute piece of defending. Well, after that attempt, gobbled up by the keeper. Cristiano Ronaldo. Excellent ball over the top. Oh, what an opportunity. The net is steering him in the face. Oh, he's given it away. Just 10 minutes to go. Stockley. Well, time is of some concern. Can they level matters? But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Breaking at pace. Well, that's one for them to pursue. Well, it was close, but offside nonetheless.
Well, it's a matter of inches there, but he just went a fraction too early.
And the ball back with United. To attack using width. And crossed in the direction of the back post. Oh, the crossbar is still reverberating. Well, it looked so threatening, but the danger averted. Ethan Chislett. That's a good-looking pass. Could be. And the goalkeeper covered a lot of ground to push that away from danger. This could square the game. Oh, dealt with by the goalkeeper. Well, this late corner could represent their last chance to equalise. Played over. The final whistle, and Manchester United move on.
Well, in a very tight match, they just about deserved their win, but it certainly wasn't easy. They had...
Soy un hombre muy honrado, que me gusta lo mejor. Las mujeres no me faltan, ni el dinero ni el amor. Jineteando en mi caballo, por la sierra yo me voy. Las estrellas y la luna ya me dicen dónde voy. Ay, 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 amor. Ay, mi morena de mi corazón.
Yo lo soñé. Yo lo soñé. Yo lo soñé, quiera o no quiera, desde que estaba de pequeño en cantera. Cuando lloraba toda la noche entera, pensando si esta a mí se me diera. Cuando los profesores se reían de mí por no tener futuro en la escuela. Cuando lo único que me importaba era que el Spotify fuera. Me llena ver sus miradas de furia, confío en mí como Ilia Topuria. Esto no es soberbia, que sé que soy grande y como me va mejor que ellos me repudian. En un año pasé de ser promesa que llenar un wifi no sea sorpresa. Somos tres pero pedimos tantos platos que no tienen que poner otra mesa. Yo soñé que llenaría el estadio de mi ciudad. Lo hice, cumplí todo lo que dije. El orgullo y mi ambición me lo exigen. He demostrado que no hay nada imposible y como Dios lo ve todo, pues me bendice. Me estoy riendo de todo lo que dicen en el Alexander. Y cuando
Frenetic, tension-laden action. That's what we expect when Manchester... And welcome to Old Trafford for one of the definitive games in English football. I'm talking, of course, about Manchester United against Liverpool. Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined by Stuart Robson. I must say the Stretford end in fine voice already. What a match this promises to be, Stuart.
Well, you're absolutely right. Old Trafford is rocking here. The noise is incredible. Let's hope we get a great...
And he's broken free. Oh, it was there for him, but unable to find the target.
Well, he certainly went for power, but the accuracy just wasn't there. He should have scored that.
Must be. And just over the bar. Really good effort. The lineup for Manchester United.
Well, although we have it down as a 4-5-1, it's actually more likely to be a 4-2-3-1. They play with 2 holding midfield players, a number 10 and 2 wingers. The system has a nice balance to it.
Big chance! And that's a very good parry. And giving the ball away. Stopped a certain goal. You know, when Ronaldo is on the pitch, we tend to think he'll stamp his authority on the game, Stuart. What in particular do you expect to see from him this time around?
Well, Derek, he's playing with great confidence. He's in great form as well. And every time he gets the ball, he looks as though he's going to be a threat. Whether he's taking on defenders, when he's running beyond them with the ball, or whether he's getting shots away early, he's in tremendous form.
Delivery from Salah here. Well thumped clear. Cristiano Ronaldo. And the throw coming up after that authoritative challenge. Bruno Fernandes has it. Given away by Manchester United. Good run, very much in control of the situation. Jota. Well, he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did. McAllister. This is Salah. Oh, he's through here. It's got to be. And a goal! Liverpool draw first blood in the derby. And that has stunned the fans into silence. And United will get the throw-in. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Good tackle. It'll be a throw. Well, that wasn't part of the plan, was it? Giving the ball away like that.
Message for Xavier Vicente, travelling here from Spain. Xavier, can you please go back and meet the rest of the party at the ticket office?
Nunez. Ronaldo wasteful in possession, not really like him. Ronaldo. Ronaldo! Well, he didn't miss by an awful lot. McAllister. And it's United's turn now. Delightful pass. Determined defending. Luis Diaz. And he has options available. Salah. Oh, could be. And missing the chance to give them a bit of breathing space.
Well, that should have made it more comfortable, shouldn't it? But it's a wasted opportunity.
Well, getting close to the half-time break, and United with a bit of work to do here. Stuart, how would you assess their performance in the first half?
Derek, big moment this.
Still alive! Pressing like that will help the cause. Now counter-attacking possibilities. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? And let's give credit to the defending. And so the first... And the referee gets the second half going. Liverpool with the lead. Will they be able to hold on to it? Mo Salah. Well, they stopped them in their tracks. And passing it through. And could it be Cristiano Ronaldo? Oh, he saved it. Brilliant piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he got it all right there. That's an excellent save from the keeper, you have to say that.
Liverpool with the ball once more. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Well, unfortunately, it fizzled out in the end. Well, there's been so much talk about a potential transfer, but it's potential no more. It's fact.
Well, he'll certainly bring much-needed experience to them. Let's just hope he's still got the legs to have a real impact. I think he'd do well.
Manchester United keep the ball. Advantage. Really good challenge. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. Long way out this. And never an any doubt from the keeper. Well, he's been the standout for his side so far, don't you think, Stuart?
Well, I thought he had a really effective first half.
Oh, look at this, Stuart, an opportunity! And fine goalkeeping. And there's the delivery. Oh, might be. And under pressure, that was a fine claim. Can he find the net? And it's in for Liverpool. Is there a way back for the opposition now? Here's Luke Shaw. Here's Ronaldo. It's going to be United's free kick. Just the challenge that was required. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. And Ronaldo takes on the shot. Oh, great technique and accuracy, but the keeper able to turn it away. A stunning stop.
Well, this has to be their way back into the game. The crowd are certainly playing their part.
Fernandes, Ronaldo at the ready. Well, pretty straightforward for the keeper, you've got to say. Marcos Acuna. Well, make sure you join us for more Premier League action coming your way. It's Manchester United facing Southampton.
Well, Derek, I'm really looking forward to it. Always a great atmosphere in that stadium, and it should be an entertaining match.
Good ball over the top. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. It's a weighted pass. Putting it wide from there. A pity, really. Casemiro. In a decent position now. Oh, good-looking run. Surely. Still alive. Oh, I can't believe it. He's gone and missed the chance.
Well, what a glorious chance that was. One he should be taking, that's for sure.
And with that, the attack fizzles out. Could be dangerous. It might still be problematic. Well, they can keep possession now. Plenty of support here. Diaz, and crossing towards the far post. And trying something slightly unconventional, but not close to scoring. Rashford. Well, just to point you in the right direction, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's Liverpool facing Nottingham Forest.
I'm really looking forward to that. Two entertaining teams in what should be a really feisty affair.
And we've entered the final 5 minutes. And showing fine vision. He's got to score! Oh, that's top-notch goalkeeping, you've got to say. Cristiano Ronaldo. And in the right position to read it. So Bosley. Of two northwest rivals and one of the biggest games in English football without any shadow of a doubt. Manchester United against Liverpool coming up here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray. Joining me for commentary is Stuart Robson. And Stuart, we're both thoroughly looking forward to this one.
Absolutely, and this is one of the great rivalries, Derek, and I think it's fair to say there's not a lot of love between these two clubs. Let's hope we get an entertaining game here.
Really clever pressing. Textbook defending inside the box. Now maybe the really short route to goal. Easy save. And this is how Liverpool start the game.
Well, on paper it's down as a 4-5-1, but for me it's more likely to be a split midfield with three supporting the front man and two sitting that little bit deeper as defensive cover.
And the flag has gone up here, offside the decision. Good work from Liverpool to make sure possession changed hands. Well, they're moving it around with real purpose here. Lacking a distinct sense of rhythm at the moment. Really fine piece of defending play to break it up. Trying to open them up. Given his magnificent form, then there's every reason to believe that Cristiano Ronaldo will make an impact here.
Well, Derek, the form he's in at the moment is almost unplayable. He keeps coming short to get on the ball, then racing with the ball past defenders. He's in tremendous form at the moment, and I'm sure...
Well, it might still work out for them. Oh, it comes to nothing in the end. Really should have made more of that. Oh, the threat is there. Oh, could be. And a fine stop to turn the ball away. And a strong tackle. Well, a really good run. Jota. Well, that looked to be quite dangerous, but just a fraction off. Rashford. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Oh, great header. Smart stop, though. Alexander-Arnold. McAllister. And this is Diogo Jota now. And United have it back. Real chance. Must finish. Couldn't beat the keeper, unfortunately for him.
Well, I think that's a bad miss. He just never looked convincing as he went through there.
McAllister. Salah. And with that, they thwarted the opportunity. Ronaldo. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. And tidily played. Perfect tackle. Throw into Manchester United. Diaz. This looks more than decent. Well, how about that for a piece of tackling to break things up? Ronaldo. Alexander-Arnold. A Liverpool free kick coming up. Went in strongly to win the ball. Diaz. It might be the moment to get them ahead. Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. Scott McTominay. Bruno Fernandes has it. Went in strongly, decisively. Well, beating his opponent. And we will have just one additional minute. Diogo Dalot. Making progress. Well, that's a sign of a well-organised defence. And so the referee blows the whistle. We've reached the halfway point here at Old Trafford. How about the grades for Cristiano Ronaldo so far? He could improve.
Well, he struggled to have any real impact on the game. I think if they are to kick on in the second half.
The second 45 minutes then here at Old Trafford. And a good take under duress there. That's a good ball. Ronaldo. Able to skip past his man. Can they forge ahead? No! Chance missed.
And a big chance at that, Derek. He should have put them in the driving seat there.
Alexis McAllister. And this is Diogo Jota now. Jota. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Well, not smooth, but fiercely competitive in midfield. Effective looking pass. Well, transfer speculation is all part of football, and there's been quite a lot of excellent vision. Diaz clears it away. Rewarded for that brilliant high press. Can they nudge in front? And there it is! The opening goal of the derby for Liverpool. A real jolt to the home fans. And a tidy tackle. Well, this is the home of live football, EA TV, and we have more action coming up from the Premier League for you. It's Manchester United facing Southampton. Well, he's going to be disappointed with that pass. Might be able to set up the chance. And the penalty has been given here. And a chance for 2-0. A sizable cushion now. A 2-goal lead in this massive game. And in a great position to go on and win it. "20 minutes to go. And that pass needed to be a lot more precise. Running room galore for United. And options in the centre. Well, nothing comes of the attack when all is said and done. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Just a reminder, we have more absorbing action from the Premier League coming your way here on EA TV. It's Liverpool facing Nottingham Forest.
Oh, Derek, can he finish it here?
Well, he gave it quite the whack, but not on target. Lisandro Martinez. Bruno Fernandes has it. And playing it through. Ronaldo! Spectacular save. Top-class goalkeeping. Marcos Acuna. Liverpool have it once again. Here's Marcos Acuna. Alexander-Arnold. Alexander-Arnold. Very quick thinking there. Mo Salah. Opportunity. Well, the challenge was clean, but the danger not clear. Well, United had the ball, but not anymore. Jota, he's in behind. There's the goal! Happy here at Old Trafford for the time being. I say that because the sun is shining brightly. I'm Derek Ray, and delighted to have Stuart Robson sharing commentary duties with me. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Manchester United taking on Liverpool.
Well, Derek, it's certainly not been the perfect start for United. They've played well in patches, but haven't done it for long enough periods. Hopefully today we see them take it to the next level. This should be a good game.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United.
Well, I think they have a nice balance to their team. A solid back four, 2 holding midfielders, 3 creative players in advance of them, and a mobile centre forward. It's a good team.
Salah! Well, what a stop it was.
Well, I have to say, that's a magnificent save. That's a top-class piece of goalkeeping.
And that is offside. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cutting in. Bruno Fernandes. A real opening now. And grabs off the keeper. Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest players of the current era, and you'd have to imagine, Stuart, he's going to have some sort of role to play in this one.
Well, Derek, the form he's in at the moment is almost unplayable. He keeps coming short to get on the ball, then racing with the ball past defenders. He's in tremendous form at the moment, and I'm sure he'll score again today.
Incisive pass, and there it is! But hang on, the flag has gone up, and it's not going to count.
Well, it was a close call, but he is just offside. Good finish, mind you.
Casemiro lost the ball. Jones. Diaz. Well, couldn't bend his run, and the flag went up. Bruno Fernandes has it. Chance to cross. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. Being pressed here. And space on the wing for Liverpool. Jota, opportunity to go ahead. Oh, disappointing, just when it looked like a surefire opener.
Well, that should have been the opener, Derek. I'm not sure how he's missed that.
Bruno Fernandes has it. And Rashford, well, all doing their bit to keep them out. Now he must favour the cross. Can he put them in front? It was a wonderful chance, but the goalkeeper comes through.
Yes, Derek, we have to give credit to the keeper, but surely he should have scored there. That's a big, big chance.
Bodies forward, and the break looks on. Has a go, and a fine stop to turn the ball away. Casemiro. And slipped through beautifully. He might yet finish. And there it is! United take the lead in the derby. And listen to the roar of the crowd. Unbelievable!
Well, here we can see it again. And no wonder the manager is furious. They just have to get tighter here, deal with the danger. Otherwise, that's the outcome. Not good enough defensively.
Salah. Salah does thrive on veering in field. In it goes! To square the game! What a contest this is turning out to be! Diogo Dalot. It's opening up for them. And they're going to forge ahead. Oh, what a clearance under pressure. Had to react and did. An important interception. Ronaldo. Committed challenge. He's in with a chance. Surely now. It's come off the keeper. And a goal at the second time of asking. But the keeper has let his team down. Here's Luke Shaw. Teammates in the middle. Good work to deny the opportunity. Delivering it. And the danger is still there. And there goes the whistle. That close. So into the second half, Liverpool in front, but there might still be a few twists and turns before this is over. Oh, that's an interesting pass. It's there for him. Oh, a chance to put them in an even better position.
Well, he's got to hit the target there. What a waste that is.
Bruno Fernandes has it. A very timely interception. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter-attack. Will he play it in? Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. Casemiro failed to hang on to it. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Southampton.
And what a game that will be. Two good teams in a great stadium. I'm really looking forward to that one.
Bruno Fernandes has it. Might be able to set up the chance. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Well, Diogo Jota heavily involved in the first half. Sum up his performance for us.
Well, he certainly had an impact on that first half, scoring that late goal, but I thought his overall contribution was really good, and he got better as the half wore on.
Manchester United unable to hold on to the ball. It's looking promising. Angled for Salah. Not the best clearance. Oh, the referee points to the spot. Penalty. Is it going to be 3-1? In it goes! Two ahead now. They're accelerating away. Can they possibly be stopped? Rashford. Chance to make a game of it here. Well, we had a decent reading of that ball in. Well, we always enjoy bringing you live action on EA TV and Premier League action coming up. It's Liverpool facing Nottingham Forest. Well read to ease the pressure. Well, both sides encountering difficulties keeping possession. Oh, this is looking promising. And his teammate got him out of trouble. Jota might still be able to do a bit of damage. Must finish. Beautiful day for football. No complaints whatsoever on that front here at Old Trafford. My name is Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and sitting next to me, ready to give you all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Manchester United taking on Liverpool. And the header just over the crossbar. And here's the lineup for Manchester United.
Well, they're starting with an attacking 4-5-1 formation with three players in advance of two holding midfielders. But it's important that the wide players come in field to join the centre forward at the right time.
Oh, fancy footwork. A wonderful intervention. And this is how Liverpool start the game.
Well, it's certainly a back four, but I think we'll see a lot of rotation in midfield. They just need to have a good understanding about when to support the front player and when to drop that little bit deeper. It certainly looks like a 4-5-1 to me.
Jones. Good idea. He might profit from here, you know. Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper. Really clever pressing. And a body in the way. Can he put them in front? Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest players of the current era, and you'd have to imagine, Stuart, he's going to have some sort of role to play in this one.
Well, what form he's been in recently. Whenever a chance seems to come his way, he finishes it. Of course he'll be tightly marked today, but I still fancy him to add to his recent tally of goals.
Mo Salah. Looking for that final pass, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Can he give them the lead? Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. And over comes the corner. Well, it still could be dangerous. Alexis McAllister. And threading it through. Well, they're going to feel, aren't they, that that was an opportunity squandered.
Well, from that position, it should be 1-0 now. Great chance for them.
High quality defending.
Well, Liverpool have dominated possession in the last 15 minutes. You sense it's inevitable the goal will come. It'll be certainly no less than they deserve. They just need to be a bit more clinical in that final third now.
Yes, it might be on for them once more. Palmed away by the keeper. Cristiano Ronaldo. And a fine tackle. Well, both sides guilty of giving the ball away. Oh, breezing past him. There's the chip. Was an important piece of defending.
Five, four, three.